Presenting Fire-Boltt 360 Pro Smartwatch. It comes in 6 color variants of Black, Black Pro, Gold, Gold Pro, Grey and Silver. The HD color screen, full capacitive touch, supporting taps and swipes gives you a smooth performance. It has a 1.32 inches screen. The watch can work for 10 hours with Bluetooth calling and 10 days without Bluetooth calling. The watch can monitor your temperature. It comes with real-time 24/7 SpO2 or blood oxygen tracking and dynamic heart rate monitoring. The watch allows you to connect your earpods and enjoy listening to music with this cross-connection. Store your favorite music in the watch as local music. Play favorite music on the watch with the inbuilt speaker. You can enjoy 8 sports modes, monitor your sleeping cycles smoothly and accurately, rolling UI and dual button tech. This product comes with standard brand warranty.